Good morning, students. Last session we were doing the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, and we had done the last preparation from the diazonium salts. We have prepared all the type of haloarenes. Now next preparation we are doing is allylic substitution. Now the allylic word, if you remember, we have done with allyl halides. What are allyl halides? The carbon attached to a halogen is attached to a carbon having a double bond. So this is an example of a allylic halide. And if I consider a propene, this carbon is called as the allylic carbon. And if the halogen is substituted, if one of the hydrogen is substituted by a halogen from this carbon, it is called allylic substitution. Again, I am repeating, this is an allylic halide. So in propene, if the hydrogen of this carbon is substituted by a halogen, we will call it allylic substitution. And the result is formation of allyl halides. Let us see how the allylic substitution takes place. A. Reaction with chlorine or bromine or heating. When propene reacts with chlorine at nearly 773 Kelvin temperature and chlorine or bromine is present in less amount, it can be either chlorine or bromine, then the hydrogen of the allylic position is substituted by chlorine plus HCl. The hydrogen coming from here combines with Cl and forms HCl. The same reaction takes place with bromine, but in these reactions the halogens have to be taken in the lesser amount and it has to be done at a high temperature. Another method of carrying out allylic substitution is by reaction with NBS. NBS is N-bromosuccinimide. Now what it is? This is the structure of N-bromosuccinimide. Now when propene having the allylic carbon is heated with NBS at 473 Kelvin temperature in the presence of sunlight and peroxide, this Br substitutes the allylic hydrogen. So we get CH2 Br CH double bond CH2. The substitution takes place at the allylic position plus CH3 CONH COCH2, that is succinimide is formed. The product formed is succinimide. Now, third, allylic substitution can also be carried out by reaction with sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuryl chloride is SO2Cl2. So when propene reacts with SO2Cl2, same conditions, 473 Kelvin temperature, sunlight, peroxide presence, the allylic carbon is replaced by a halogen. So we get Cl, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 plus SO2 plus HCl. It is not necessary that in all these reactions I take up only propene. We can take any other compound. I'm taking one of the examples here for allylic substitution. I just take up this as an example. Which is this compound? This is cyclohexene. What it is? Cyclohexene. And when I react it with NBS, N-bromosuccinimide, under the same conditions, that means 473 Kelvin temperature, sunlight and in presence of peroxide. Then allylic carbon, you can just see these are double bonded carbon and the carbon attached to it. This is allylic carbon or this is allylic carbon. The substitution can take place at any position. So the product formed will be one, two, three, 3-bromocyclohexene, and along with it succinimide will be formed. So any compound which has got a allylic hydrogen, the hydrogen can be replaced by a halogen by carrying out any one of the following methods. With this, we have completed with the various preparations of haloalkanes and haloarenes. And now we will be starting with your physical properties. Thank you.